Packing for a weekend getaway. Philip and Georgia are trying to decide what to pack for their weekend getaway.
You do not need this many clothes.
I do, Philip. You know I like to have options.
We're only going to be gone for 2 days. You can't possibly need 2 suitcases.
The first day we will do a lakeside hike and then go swimming. I need at least 3 bathing suits to choose from, depending on the mood I'm in that day. And of course, I need 2 hiking outfits.
The only thing you need are shorts and t-shirts. This is not a fashion show.
Maybe for you it's not, but I'm the one that has 3,000 followers on Insta, so I have to keep up appearances.
That's nice. But will those 3,000 followers chip in for the extra baggage fees?
Don't forget, on Sunday, we have reservations for that fancy seafood place. I need to look sharp.
Let me guess. You will have 5 outfits to select from for that?
Don't be silly. I only need 4 to wow the customers, staff, and of course my fans.
Okay. Do what you want. Some battles aren't worth fighting.